Good morning, students. So, in previous class, we are discussing about different types of functions and their graphs. Okay, there are 7 important types of functions and their graphs, namely identity function, constant function, polynomial function, rational function, then modulus function, greatest integer function, signum function, and so on. Okay, based on the different types of functions, now to solve some problems. Now, before solving the problem, so one more part, what is that? Algebra of real numbers. Algebra of real numbers. Now here, just remember some concept. Let f is a function from say x to r is real number, and g be a function from x to r. Consider two functions, namely f and g are two functions. Okay, then now the question is to find sum of two functions f plus g of x. They will ask find f plus g of x. How to split it? F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. This is addition of two functions. F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Whereas second one, subtraction of two functions. F minus g of x is equal to difference of two functions. How to split? Remember f of x minus g of x. This is subtraction of two functions. Okay. Then third one, say alpha into f of x, where alpha is constant, that is scalar. Okay. In general, alpha into f of x is equal to constant term as is alpha into function of x. For example, 2f of x is equal to 2 into f of x. 3 into f of x is equal to 3 into f of x. 10 f of x is equal to 10 into f of x. In general, alpha f of x is equal to alpha into f of x, where alpha is scalar quantity, that is constant. Whereas fourth law, product of two functions, that is product f into g of x is equal to, split up better, we can write f of x into g of x. And finally, division of two functions, f by g of x is equal to, split up better, f of x divided by g of x, provided denominator part is not equal to 0. These are the algebra of real numbers. Remember, consider two functions, namely f and g are two functions. Then f plus g of x is equal to, split up letter, f of x plus g of x. This is known as addition of two functions. Whereas f minus g of x is equal to, split up letter, f of x minus g of x, that is known as difference of two functions. Whereas alpha f of x is equal to alpha into f of x, where alpha is a scalar quantity, that is real number, that is constant value, that is a number. In general, alpha f of x is equal to alpha into f of x. Whereas fourth result, alpha, that is f g of x is equal to, split up letter, f of x into g of x. Then fifth one, division of two functions, f by g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x, provided g of x is not equal to 0. These are the algebra of real value numbers, real value functions, algebra of real value functions or real numbers. Okay, addition of two functions, difference of two functions, then scalar multiplication of the function, then product of two functions, division of two functions. Okay, so based on these and based on different types of functions to solve the problem. Now we have problem number 1, main problem number 1. The question is, Which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons. If it is a function, then determine its domain and range. ಯಾವುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ that is known as function or in other words if a and b are any two sets which are non-empty sets if different elements of a set is associated with unique element at least one element in the set B is called a function. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು at least one element either one element or more than one element in the set B but ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿಬಾರದು all the elements of a set associated with unique element at least one element in the second set B is called a function. Here the first set A is called what? Domain and the second set B is called codomain and the set of all images under the map under the function F that is known as range of the function. Now look here, which of the following relations are functions? Special type of relation is nothing but function. So first problem A cross bracket order pair 2 comma 1 5 comma 1 8 comma 1 11 comma 1 14 comma 1 17 comma 1 whether is it function or not. Now here order pair 2 comma 1 what it means image of 2 is 1 image of 5 is 1 image of 8 is 1 image of 11 is 1 image of 14 is 1 image of 17 is 1. Now here in function we can write image of 2 is 1 image of 5 denoted by f of 5 is 1 image of 8 f of 8 is 1 image of 11 is also 1 image of 14 f of 14 is 1 image of 17 that is also 1. Is it function or not? How to identify? To take a simple diagram that is event diagram. Event diagram ಅನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. So first set A, second set B. Now the first members is the domain that is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, then 17. Here second set only one number. Image of 2 is 1, 5 is 1, 8 is 1, 11 is 1, 14 is 1, 17 is 1. Is it function or not? Yes, obviously it is true. Clearly, it is a function. And also it is known as another name is many one function. All elements so one element in it that is also known as many one function. Many one function. It is a function as well as that is known as many one function. If it is function, what is domain? First set A is called domain. Domain is equal to set A. In set A contains 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Right? What is codomain? Codomain, that is range, not codomain. What is range? Set of all images. Range of the only one number. Range is 1. Clear students? So clearly first problem it is a function. Therefore domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. First member is called domain. Second member of the relation that is known as range. Okay. Then what of second one? Check it whether second one is it function or not. In here 2, 1, 4, 2, then 6, 3, 8, 4, right? Then 10, 5, then 12, 6, then order pair 14, 7. Now here it means 2, 1 means image of 2 is 1, f of 2 is 1, image of 4 is 2, image of 6 is 3, image of 8 is 4, 6. Image of 14 is 7. Is it function or not? Check it by using Venn diagram. No Venn diagram to is it function or not? This is first set, first member. This is second member. Now, in first set contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Right? Second member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Image of 2 is 1. Okay. Image of 4 is 2. Image of 6 is 3. Image of 8 is 4. Image of 10 is 5. Image of 12 is 6. Image of 14 is 7. Is it function or not? Yes. Obviously it is true. Here there is a function because all the elements of a set associated with at least one element, unique element in the second set B. Clearly, short form CL1 means clearly it is a function. If it is function, what is domain and range? Domain is set A, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What is range? Second member is called range. Range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set of all images, that is the range. Okay. Whereas third problem is order pair 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Is it a function or not? Here, order pair 1, 3 means image of 1 is 3. Again, order pair 1, 5 means image of 1 is 5. Order pair 2, 5 means image of 2 is 5. You draw Venn diagram, easy method. This is first set, this is second set. Now, first set contains the numbers 1, 1, 2. 1, only 2 numbers. Second member 3, 5, 5. That is 3. Now here image of 1 is 3. Image of 1 is 5. Image of 2 is 5. Is it function or not? No. Why? Because image of element in the set A is associated with 2 elements. ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ associated with at least one element in the set B. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ one element ಗೆ 2 images ಇದೆ. No, one element ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ image ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಒಂದಾಗಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ so many images ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so different elements of a set associated with unique element in the second set. Here it is not a function. Here it is not a function. Why it is not a function? ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ? Because image of element 1, image of element 1 in the set A is associated with what? 2 elements. Associated with 2 elements. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ತರ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ 2 images 3 images ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Definition of function: all the elements of a set associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B, that is known as function. Okay, so third problem, it is not a function. It is a function agodilla. Clear students? Oh, next problem number 2. Problem number 2. Second problem, find the domain. Find the domain and the range of the following real functions. First one, f of x is equal to minus mod x And second one, f of x is equal to root of 9 minus x square. That is important sum. They will be asked in final exam. That is 2-mark question. Now first one, y is equal to f of x, that is equal to mod minus mod x, where x is a real number. Now find the domain and range. Now here therefore y is equal to f of x value minus mod x, negative sign. So that negative sign is there, that is less than or equal to 0. Now this is given. So minus mod x, which is less than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to real number, equation 2. Okay. Therefore, from equation 1, f is defined. F of x is defined only, for all x belongs to real number. Therefore, domain. What is domain? You know the definition of modulus function. In modulus function, domain is set of all real numbers. Okay. Then from 2, domain is x, range is y, from equation 2. So y is equal to minus mod x. Minus mod x is less than 0 means y is less than or equal to 0. Y is less than or equal to 0. Therefore range f of is equal to 1 such that y less than or equal to 0 and y belongs to real number. So x is domain, y is range. From equation 2, y is equal to minus mod x, minus mod x is less than 0, less than or equal to 0, that is y is less than or equal to 0. Therefore range is y less than or equal to 0, that is y belongs to r. So remember, you cannot write directly. Domain is real number, range is y less than or equal to 0 and y belongs to real number. Okay, whereas second problem is find the domain and range of the real function. Find the domain and range of the real function. Second problem, that is y is equal to, second one, y is equal to f of x. That f of x value is root of 9 minus x square. It's given. Here f of x defined x is real number. For all x belongs to real number. And you check try and y is equal to f of x. F of x value is 9 minus x square. X is real number. Take one by one. Put x equal to 0. 0 is real number. Then after y is equal to root 9 minus 0. That is root 9. Root 9 value plus or minus. Correct? Then take x is equal to 1. 1 substitute 1 equal to 9 minus 1 square 1. 9 minus 1 8. Root 8 is plus or minus 2 root. Then take x is equal to 2. 2 substitute 1 2 is also real number. Root of 9 minus x value 2. 2 square 4. That is root 5. Then take x is equal to 3. That is also root 5 is also real number. Take x equal to 3. Root of 9 minus 3 square 9. 9 minus 9 0. 0 is also real number. Take x is equal to 4. 4 to 1 y is equal to root 9 minus 4 square 16. That is root 9 minus 16 minus 7. Is it belongs to real number? No, does not belong to real number. Take next number x equal to 5 to 9 minus 5 square 25. 9 minus 25. Root minus 16. Root negative sign it is complex, it is imaginary. Up to 3 values. Now 0, 1, 2, 3. So domain minus, that is plus or minus 3, 0. That is domain is positive. 9 minus x square should be more than or equal to 0. E value that value should be more than or equal to 0. Then only we got the domain. So how to solve? This is triangle method. Now here we can write Now f of x is defined. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡೊಮೇನು -3 to +3 defined for 9 minus x square. Complete that value should be more than or equal to 0. Implies 9 is more than or equal to minus x square goes to right side plus x square. Now this implies interchange goes to x square is less than or equal to 9. The interchange managa infinity will also change. Therefore now here therefore x is less than or equal to plus or minus 3. X is less than or equal to plus or minus 3 means x belongs to closed interval -3 to +3. Now I have to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the domain. Or we can write closed interval like this, or we can write -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Therefore domain of f is equal to x belongs to real number such that -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Okay, then range. So again from 1 in here from 1 y is equal to root 9 minus x square. Root 9 minus x square divided by 1. So but 9 minus x square should be more than or equal to 0. Now from 1 y is more than or equal to 0 because y value root 9 minus x square, but 9 minus x square is more than or equal to 0. If more than or equal to 0 then y should be more than or equal to 0. Now this implies y square is equal to root 9 minus x square. Now what is y square? Root cancel 9 minus x square, correct? Using this, x square is equal to rearrange x square is equal to 9 minus y square. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus root 9 minus y square. X is equal to plus or minus root 9 minus y square. Now here put y value 0, y value 1, y value 0, 2, y value 3. Only 3 numbers. If you take y value 4, what happens? 4 square 16. 9 minus 16 minus 7. Root of minus 7 does not belong to real number. Only positive number. Y should be more than or equal to 0. Y value negative 0 kinta 0 irbeku 0 kinta h. What are the numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3. Don't take 4. If you take 4, put y is 4. What happens? 9 minus 4 square is 16. 9 minus 16. Root of minus 7 does not belong to real number. Therefore, what is the range? Another range number. Therefore, from 9 is x is equal to plus or minus 9 minus y square. Therefore, x is real number for 9 minus y square more than or equal to 0 implies 9 more than or equal to minus y square goes to the side plus y square, or interchange y square is less than or equal to 9 or y is less than or equal to plus or minus 3. That is y is less than or equal to plus or minus 3 means minus 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3 closed interval. And from equation 2, so from 2 up to here, this is second one. Whereas but from equation 2, y should be more than or equal to 0. Y equal to more than or equal to 0. More than or equal to 0 means more than 0 or equal to 0. Agar minus 3 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Yes. So ಹಮಾರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Implies more than or equal to 0 means 0 is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 3. Therefore, range is equal to y belongs to R such that 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. This is range, that is domain. Example, write directly domain of f is equal to x belongs to R, x value will be minus 3 to plus 3. Range of f is equal to y belongs to R such that y value will be 0 value. Y should be positive value, only take positive value. But here x is 9 minus x square is more than or equal to 0, x square is less than or equal to 9, two values plus or minus 3. So domain is x lie between minus 3 to plus 3. That is closed interval minus 3 plus 3. Range is y lie between 0 and okay. This is domain and range. Okay. So another problem. Then problem number 3. Very simple problem. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the value of, very simple question. Write down the values of first one f of 0, second one f of 7, and third one is f of minus 3. Each result carries 1 mark. Very simple question. Look, given data f of x is equal to linear function is given 2x minus 1. Now to find one by one. So first one is to find image of 0, f of 0. It means what? Put x equal to 0. f of x value given. Put x equal to 0. X value 0 2 into 0 minus 1. That is equal to 2 into 0, 0 minus 1. That is minus 1. Okay? Then second one. f of, put x equal to 7. 2 into 7 minus 5. 2 7s are 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 how much? 9. Finish. Third one. Find f of minus 3. Put x equal to minus 3 in given data. 2 of minus 3 minus 5. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 5. Minus 6 minus 5. That is minus 11. Each result carries 1 mark. Very simple question. Okay. Whereas problem number 4. Fourth problem. What is that? The function t which maps temperature in degree Celsius. Temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit. In degree Fahrenheit is defined by T of C is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 30. Using this, if the function T which functions temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by T of C is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 30. Now the question, find the value of, very simple question, find the value of T of 0. Find the value of first one, T of 0. Second one, T of 28. Third one, T of minus 10. Then fourth one, the value of C. Find the value of C when T of C is equal to 212. Using this condition to find first one by one, that is T of 0, second one T of 28, third one T of minus 10, fourth one find the value of C when T of C is equal to 212. Oh, now here given data. What is to be given? T of C is given, that is 9C divided by 5 plus 30. Using this to find one by one result. First one, to find T of 0, put C is equal to 0. What happened? 9 into 0 divided by 5 plus 30. 9 into 0, 0. 0 divided by 5, 0 plus 32. That is 30. Right? Whereas second one, find T of 28. Put C is equal to 28. 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 30. Right? Among those two, take the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is 5. Here 5 ones are, 1 5s are. 9 28s are. 9 8s are 72, 7, 9 2s are 18 plus 7, 252 plus 32 5s are 160. Right? So simplify 252 plus 160. 2, then 5 plus 6, 11, then 412 divided by 5, then divide those two. 5 8s are 40. Okay, 5 8s are 40. Right? That is 12. Then 5 2s are 10. Then remain 2. That is 5 4. 82.4 is the value of T of 20. Whereas third one, find T of minus 10. Put C is equal to minus 10. C is equal to minus 10. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 9 into minus 10 divided by 5 plus 30. So that is 5 ones are, 5 2s are. Divide what to so 9 into minus 2, minus 18 plus 30. Minus 18 plus 32. So much? That is 14. Minus 18 plus 32, 14. Whereas fourth one, find the value of C when P of C is equal to 212. Now here, given T of C is 212, this implies, but T of C value 9C by 5 plus 32 is equal to 212. Because T of C value is 212, T of C value 9C by 5 plus 32 is equal to 212. Then simplify, cross multiply. Now this implies, take the LCM among those two. LCM is 5, 1 5s are, 5 1s are. 9C plus 32 5s are 160 is equal to 212. Cross multiply 9C plus 160 is equal to 212 into 5. 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. Then 1060. Correct? 1060. Then further simplify. Final answer. This implies 9C is equal to 1060 minus 160. 1060 minus 160. Subtract 900. So this implies 9C is equal to 900 divided by 9. C is equal to 900 divided by 9. That is 100. C value is 100. Find the value of C such that T of C is equal to 212. Since T of C is 212, but T of C value 9C by 5 plus 32 is equal to 212. In left hand side, take the LCM. LCM is 5. 5 ones are, 1 5s are. 9C plus 32 5s are 160 divided by 5 is equal to 212. 9C plus 160 is equal to cross multiply. 212 into 5, 1060, or 9C is equal to 1060. That term goes to right side. Minus 160. 9C is equal to 900. Divide both sides by 9. C is equal to 900 divided by 9. That is 100. So the value of C is 100 when T of C is equal to 212. Okay.